Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice healthier. First, soaking your rice for at least 30 minutes before cooking is a crucial step to reduce arsenic content. Next, use a higher water-to-rice ratio, like 6 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. This method, often called the pasta method, allows more arsenic to leach into the cooking water. Finally, drain the excess water thoroughly after cooking to remove those dissolved impurities. These simple steps make a big difference. To further minimize arsenic, always rinse your rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This washes away surface starch and some contaminants. When cooking, use a generous amount of water, approximately 6 parts water to 1 part rice. This ensures that arsenic can effectively leach out into the water. Once cooked, drain all the remaining water, effectively removing the dissolved arsenic. These steps are vital for a healthier meal. Beyond arsenic reduction, you can also boost the health benefits of rice by increasing its resistant starch. After cooking, allow your rice to cool completely in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours. This cooling process transforms some of the digestible starch into resistant starch. When you reheat this cooled rice, the resistant starch content increases even more. This type of starch is excellent for gut health and helps manage blood sugar levels, making your rice even more beneficial. For the healthiest rice, consider choosing brown rice over white rice whenever possible. Brown rice offers significantly more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Also, always pair your rice with plenty of vegetables and a lean protein source to create a balanced and nutritious meal. Remember, moderation is key for any food. And speaking of valuable insights, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.